In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on Apollo.io. Whether you've recently had a name change or simply want to update your profile, I'll guide you step by step through the process. Let's dive right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Apollo.io. Once you're there, ensure you're logged into your account. If you're not, go ahead and enter your credentials to gain access to your personal dashboard. Once you're on the home screen, your journey begins. Look towards the top right corner of your screen to find the admin settings. This is your gateway to customizing your personal information on Apollo.io. Click it and a drop-down menu will appear. What you're looking for next is All Settings. This is typically where you'll find the tools to manage your account settings, so go ahead and select it. After clicking on All Settings, you'll be directed to a page filled with various options. Here you want to spot the section labeled Profile. It might seem like a small step, but getting here means you're halfway to your goal. Click on Profile and you'll open up the detailed settings related to your account, including the name details you want to modify. Now, let's focus on changing your first name. Locate the field labeled First Name, which should now be visible on your screen. Click into it and simply type in the new first name you'd like to use. Make sure to double check your spelling to avoid any future confusion. Next, let's move on to your last name. Right below the first name field, you'll find the one labeled Last Name. Click into this field as well and enter your new last name. Again, accuracy is key, so take a moment to review what you've typed. Now, if applicable, you might also want to update your title. This could be your job title or any other descriptor you want to associate with your name. Find the title field, click into it, and type in your new title. This adds a professional touch that can complete your profile's makeover. Lastly, and most importantly, remember to save your changes. Look for the Save button on the same page. Once you've found it, give it a click to ensure all your hard work isn't lost. It might sound simple, but hitting that Save button is crucial for updating your name on Apollo.io. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your name on Apollo.io. By following these steps, you can be confident that your profile reflects exactly how you want to appear. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. See you in the next video.